Hello, I'm back for the third development log of my game, Unforsaken LORE. Okay, so last time I showed you a bit of my new attack script and how the whole attack system works and some other things. And that was cool. And the first thing you'll notice this time around, the first major change, is if you look at the bottom left corner, there's a box here. Now, what does it do? So let's say I go and pick up a copper pick. It will display picked up one copper pick. And if I go and equip it, and then I mine copper ore, it'll say mined one copper ore. And if I mine again, it'll say mined one copper ore. So it's basically an event log that tells you what you did recently. So if you're sitting there mining and you want to know what happened, because I'm gonna have a random, depending on what pick you're using, what level you're at. You may not always mine copper or whatever you're mining. So it's a way to tell the player what's going on. And I think it's a really neat little feature. And it displays the past three things that you did. So yeah, that feature's pretty cool. And last time I showed you the attack script. Well, the attack sequence. But there really was no visual. This time around, I have added a few visuals. Okay, so if I go down here and attack the goblin, it will say display the enemy's health on the top left screen. And he'll still follow me around. But also, in the event log box, it will display how much damage I'm actually doing to the enemy, or the goblin in this case. So, he's attacking me, and I'm attacking him, and I almost killed him. I'm just gonna wait till this finishes up. Okay, so I killed him, and it displays in the text box that I killed the goblin. And of course, I still got the level up for that. And the bank, I actually added inventory to the bank. So if I go over here, if I right click on the bank at any time, it automatically opens the inventory window and the bank window. So if I go over any item and I press the S key, it will store the item in my bank. I can press the S key to get it out, and it's in my inventory. I can store it, do whatever. Also, last time, I said I was gonna add fishing skill, and well, I added the fishing skill. Right now, it's just a simple box. I'll probably, end up not rendering the actual box image and using some sort of particle effect, so there's fish there or something. So if you see, if I put my mouse over it, it will say in yellow text, fish with small net. So I right click and check my inventory. I have a little shrimp here, and I can do that, and it's on a few second timer, so every few seconds I can fish. And right now it's just shrimp, but obviously there'll be a random depending on what your skill is and where you're fishing to see what you get. And of course, I have a fishing skill right here that will, if you get to 100, you'll level up. So look, it's at 9 right now, and if I fish again, it will go to 12. So, and these things right here are just the shrimp item. It's basically a box for test shrimp item I can pick up and stuff. And see, look, it also stores, well, I have it worked for all items. So yeah, some some pretty good improvements. I mean, I added a new skill, got the event log working, improved the attack sequence, and got the bank working. Um, so my game's coming along here, and again, I love to hear your guys' feedback. No matter like how uh, how like small it may be, I love feedback. So